where tension is high in Samburu Central following a series of banditry attacks that have left one person seriously injured and a number of livestock killed. Recent attacks at Pura, Likiksapuki, Loiborkonere, Siambu, Losuk and Lokorosuti have been blamed on raiders from neighboring communities. Area residents are appealing for intervention by security agencies to restore calm in a region where violent cattle rustling is rife. Samburu Central Sub-County Deputy Commissioner Titus Omanyi said officers from the GSU and Anti-Stock Theft Unit had responded to the latest attack. He further assured residents that the government is boosting security in the area.
A known number of Pokot bandits attacked a village. There were livestock of Samburus that had stayed there overnight. They wanted to get away with them. Fortunately, we had a very strong force of the GSU as to NPR that repulsed them. In the process, only one person was wounded and no animal went. In the process, we only lost 2 cows and 3 were injured. And we appeal to the residents of Samburu Central to be calm and promote peace.
Sisi naomba serikali kama inawezekana, hao watu wako na district yao na sisi tuko na district yetu, wamekuja kuishi hapa kwetu, wametusumbua ya kutosha. Kama ingewezekana wasonge wafuge boundary yetu, waende boundary yao.
Hii watu inakaa kama Iraq. Hii watu wako na masilaha nyingi sana. Ako na masilaha mpaka hata hatuna uwezo kabisa ya kufanya ABCD na hao watu. Imeshindikana kabisa. Sasa hii ndio silaha yetu hapa. Unaona? Hatuna bunduki. Na mtu ako na bunduki. Ako na bunduki. Imeshindikana, sasa tunalilia serikali ikuje itusaidie. Ikuje itusaidie.
Indeed, away from that, a row over the occupation of the newly constructed Royal Market in Kiambu County intensified this weekend after a meeting convened by Governor Kimani Wamatangi